Hello everyone, I'm Gong Zijing. These are my team members.
I'm Wu Peixuan.
I'm Huang Lei. I'm Chen Kai.
These are the contents divided into the problem, the solution, and the ideation process. First, let me give you some background. The Shanghai University of International Business and Economics Library is an important academic support institution providing a wealth of library resources and service for teachers and students. The library provides services such as book borrowing, reading, lecture retrieval, and access to digital resources, and regularly holds various training lectures and academic activities to provide support for teachers and students' learning and scientific research. It also has digital resources and electronic databases to provide teachers and students with convenient information retrieval and learning environment. The library also conducts lectures on resource training for students, but the attendance rate of lectures is relatively low. Improving the attendance rate of library rescue training and the participation rate of students is an important issue facing schools, so effective training programs are crucial to help students acquire the necessary skills. Initial problems when students do not obtain training information in time. 2. Unreasonable training schedule. 3. The training title is not attractive. 4. The selection of training content does not meet the needs of students. Secondary research insights. Industry insights. Value benefits. 1. Use digital technology to ensure that the content of lectures can cover a wide range of people, including those with disabilities, remote living, or limited time, thus increasing the social influence and value of the lectures. 2. PHI helps this interdisciplinary cooperation. The library can cooperate with public health institutions, medical institutions, schools to jointly hold high-quality health lectures to form a cooperation model of resource sharing and complementary advantages. 3. Use the data analysis method in PHI to evaluate the effect of the lecture, understand the audience feedback, continuously optimize the content and the form of the lecture, and achieve continuous improvement and after operation. Why it is a focus of concern? Because if students do not actively participate in relevant training, they may miss the value opportunities for learning and research, which will affect the improvement of academic performance and scientific research ability. In addition, the digital rescues training of libraries is also related to the improvement of library service quality and the effective section of library rescues. This is of great significance for cultivating students' lifelong learning ability and ability to adapt to the future society. PESTLE referred to appendix.
We choose students as the main consumer cohort for our research because they are the largest and most directly benefited group, and the original intention of holding lectures is to improve students' academic research ability. So in this map, we learned that their pain points mainly lay in information propaganda and the lecture content. The gain point can also start from here, while meeting the needs of the student population, also improve the levels of library service, the quality of its lecture content, and the utilization rate of library resources. Next, we will disassemble and reframe the problem from the following four aspects. Positive benefits of users. Students can get the knowledge they need. Convenient for users. Students can get learning materials they want. Make the experience fun. Interact with the speaker, and the hands-on part of the lecture add fun. Transfer. Let third party solve the problem. Develop a lecture meaning app in WeChat to promote, inform, and publicize lectures. Let third parties drive users. After booking the lecture online, users will be reminded to arrive on time through messages and WeChat. Negative. Had to attend the next lecture, make lectures more relevant so that students have to attend the next lecture. Conduct online lecture. Instead of online lecture, students are required to attend offline lectures. Disassemble. Propaganda dynamics is not enough. The publicity method is single and most students don't know about library lectures. Low content appeal. Most of library lectures are highly professional and not attractive to some male students. And then I will show you how we came up with it. First, problem identification. The low attendance rate of library digital resources training lectures. It's a known problem. Second, demand analysis. Through interviews, we learned about students' pain points and gain points, investigated their needs and analyzed them. Third, goal setting. This is also the result that we want to achieve after solving this problem. This is improving the attendance rate of resource training and the utilization rate of library resources. Fourth, technical evolution. In China, many apps are common and popular, and their development costs are low. Using mini apps development technology and platform, you can not only analyze and study lecture publicity, graduation attendance, but also statistics on the needs and preferences of most people. Fifth, functional planning. Design mini app functions such as activity promotion, real-time query, online reservation, user feedback, and so on. Ensure that these features adjust the identified use and meet use needs. Monitoring, evaluation, and optimization. Continuously monitor the use of mini program, collect user feedback, and evaluate the attendance improvement effect. According to the actual situation, the mini app is optimized and adjusted to achieve better results.
These are the three solutions we came up with. We finally chose the first one, make a mini app in WeChat to enrich the content of the lecture through appointment and personalized customization. Design attractive lecture topics, such as topics related to student life and learning. The following are the reasons why we choose the first one. Desirability. 1. Through the mini app, students can easily access lecture information without having to download additional applications or browse other websites. 2. Mini app can send lecture information and reminders to students in real time. Students can keep up to date with lecture schedules and set reminders to ensure they don't miss lectures or interests. 3. Mini app can make personalized recommendations according to students' interests and preferences, and recommend lecture topics and speakers that they may be interested in. Feasibility. 1. People in the business field usually have specific concerns and needs, and by providing customized lecture services, their willingness to participate and satisfaction can be increased. 2. Participants will have the opportunity to know and understand relevant brands and professionals, thereby increasing brand exposure and influence. 3. Organizations or individuals in the business field can understand the needs and preferences of the target audience by analyzing the data collected by the mini app and make improvements and optimization to improve the quality and attractiveness of lectures. Viability. 1. Through mini app, libraries can easily send lecture information to users. Users can view this information anytime, anywhere, and immediately decide whether to participate. 2. The mini app can make personalized push according to the user's interests and preferences and recommend the lecture topics and speakers they are interested in. 3. Mini app can collect users' participation data and feedback. Through the analysis of this data, the library can understand the needs and preferences of users and make improvements and optimizations based on the feedback to improve the quality and attractiveness of lectures. Next is the prototype visual. 1. There will be a simple navigation bar and a crucial map. 2. Recommend activities for users according to their browsing records and hobbies. 3. Users will be automatically added to the mobile calendar reminder after clicking on the appointment. 4. After the lecture, users can evaluate and give feedback in the mini app.
The purpose of this survival is to understanding the participation of library training lectures, the reservation service, and the cognition and expectation of mini apps in WeChat customers' lectures. Most of respondents believe that booking a training lecture through the mini app can improve the possibility to attendance. This shows that reservation survivals has a significant effect on improve and attendance rates, and the library should continue to promote and improve the reservation functions. After understanding the mini app customization lecture, most of the interviews feel that they're willing to participate in the lecture, but they have a shallow understanding of customization service. In the questionnaire survey, we learned about students' preference for the lecture, such as lecture topics, lecture forms. After collecting, most students' willingness to participate in lectures has increased significantly. Nearly 17% of students are willing to participate in customization lectures. In summary, the library lecture reservation and customers survey mini app has a significant effect on improving the attendance rates of lecture. However, the participant rates of library training lectures and the awareness of reservation service need to be improved. Libraries should increasing public efforts, improving promotion strategies, and increasing the popularity of mini apps. According to the result of questionnaire, we can further expand the following conclusions. Through the applet's survival, user can choose the applet's lecture content and according to their own needs and interests, so as to increase the motivate and willingness to participate. Personalized customization can make users feel more personalized service and meet their personalized needs, thus increasing the recognition and trust of users. Through the reservation functions, the library can better plan resources and set utilization, avoid resources waste and set vacancies, and improve the efficiency of resources utilization. The applets can collect user reservation and participants data. Through data analysis, it can understand user preference and behavior habits, and then optimize the lecture content and service methods to achieve continuous improvement and optimization. Thanks for your listening. If you have any question, please email with us.